All right, we're back in Palma to explore for the day. And she really has to pee. We're just kicking it with the local wildlife. So Kassandra's got Mallorcan's best ice cream over here. How is it? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Like, I was so desperate for it. From last time, it was so good. I think after this, I think I want more after this.
You want to go back? Really?
It's so good. It's only €4.
Well, we're walking the opposite direction right now, so should we have...
Isn't it to the left?
No, it's way back there.
Oh, it's so good. I think I need more. But they don't really come to Palma. We haven't been coming to Palma a lot, huh?
This is our...
Fourth time?
No.
Yeah.
Second time.
Oh. Third time.
Huh?
At least third time.
Third time for you, second time for me because I was sick.
So good.
So you want to go back then?
I think so.
Okay, back to the ice cream place. All right, we're back at the ice cream place.
Yeah.
Look how long the line is. Is it worth it?
Yeah, it's worth it.
All right. All right, so I'm about to clean the pool. Ricky is getting it all set up for me.
Yes.
Would you call that a schlangen?
Yeah, slange.
Schlangle.
That's what we say in Swedish.
Okay,
Slang.
so it's a Swedish name for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
What would you call it in English, in American?
I have no idea.
Like a pipe, hose? Hose?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. It probably has a more specific name, but yeah, I guess I would say a hose.
So this is for the vacuum cleaner.
Uh-huh.
The hose for the vacuum cleaner.
Uh-huh.
And we're gonna connect it here. Yeah, there was a lot of air coming out.
And you said you had to fill up the schlangle with with water because you said if there's any air whatsoever.
Exactly. When you put in the water, you start by this, pulling it down. You will see it fills, and then you continue and do it all around, all around. If you don't do that, then you will have a lot of air in the engine, in the pump.
Okay.
And people say it will damage the pump. It will make it break. And I have just heard, when I don't do it correctly, I hear the motor like very high and doesn't suck so good. So then you notice a lot of air in it.
Interesting.
Yeah. And so the first time we built the pool, we took out the pipe here, mounted it here on the wall. And I tried it out and it didn't work at all because I had no knowledge about pools.
Right.
So then the second time we poured out the water from the pool, we emptied the pool, and then we made a hole there under water level. Because it's right here. So now there's no chance the air is getting in because the pipe is under water.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I learned it also the hard way.
Yeah.
And this is garbage. This plastic will break. So it's better if you can find a metal one or a different design, not with these hairs. Okay. These hairs will last 2 months. And then with this sun,
right.
Even though I protect it, I have a bag for it, everything, but it doesn't help. So yeah.
And so that goes on the edge of that.
Exactly.
And then there's the, okay, that's what I was gonna ask, if there's a pole.
Yeah.
And so you just kind of walk around the pool with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly. Walk and walk. You have to use your arms and legs.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Very nice.
Yeah. Yeah, this one has also broken, so I put a new screw in it. Always something.
This is my task today. I'm gonna clean the pool.
Yeah. I'm curious about to see your reaction.
Yeah.
Because I think it is pretty hard to clean it.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Just because of the resistance of the water when you're moving it. Okay. Yeah. He's gonna demonstrate it for us.
We will see.
Is it working? Oh, it looks like it's working. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's really, you have to get in there and
Exactly.
press it. Okay.
It's kind of a struggle.
Yeah. Okay. Now I see what you mean. Why you would say it's a little bit hard.
Yeah. See, just move around like this, and and try to also, if you have more angle in it, maybe start here. Oh, it's sucking very much now.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Suck it up.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
All right.
So slowly.
And ideally, it'll clean everything. It'll be spotless at the end.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. This is an old pool, and
Okay.
yeah, just do your best.
Okay.
And many times when you start cleaning, it gets a lot of dirt in the water, and then you wait maybe 2 or 3 hours. And then
for it to settle.
Exactly.
Right. Okay.
Then you clean it again.
Okay.
But yeah, like this.
Okay. Yeah.
And then when you go around, you do it the same on this side. It's easier like this.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Okay, bro, enjoy.
All right, I will enjoy. All done with the first part. So I cleaned up all of the dirt and stuff on the floor. Now you can see that it's just on the sides. So, and I don't know if you can tell from the GoPro, but it's kind of, the water is really muddy right now. So we're gonna wait, I don't know, 3 hours, and then I'm gonna do it again after it settles back onto the floor. But before that, I'm gonna put my swimming suit on and head in there and manually clean the bottom corners of it with a sponge or something. All right, I'm hopping in. It's already raining. If you can see all the raindrops. Let's hop inside. Oh. It's raining. I'll show you the end result when I'm done. As you can see, it's raining pretty hard now. We're gonna have to postpone for tomorrow. Whew. All right, so I wasn't gonna work today, but like when I woke up this morning and like pretty much the entire day, it was really cloudy and I thought it was gonna rain. And so I wasn't gonna hop in the pool while it was raining. But as you can see now, it's really sunny. So I'm gonna hop back in the water and try to give it a good clean. Okay, so before I hop in there, I'm going to clean up all the bugs that have flown in since the last time I was in. So yesterday I was using this to swim to the bottom of the water and try to scrub the bottom. It was not working. It was working, but not perfectly well. Then I tried this. It worked a little bit better, but not super good. So now we have this broom. I'm gonna go in there with this broom and see how well it works. Okay, it is working a little bit better. It's not the best. You can see here, if you can tell, this is the line. This is what it looked like over here. So it definitely looks a lot better. You can barely see the line, but it's still there. So I gotta find something that's better, but I don't know what else I could find. So I'm basically going to just continue with the broom all the way around. And then I think I'm gonna use the vacuum again to get everything on the floor. Because after you, obviously when you move everything around, it starts to get up in the water, and then you just give it a few hours and let it settle, hit the ground again, and then vacuum it. So that is the plan. All right, this is the final product. Hopefully it looks a little bit better, but you can still see that there is some dirt along the sides. So basically everything that I pushed up is now like floating in the water and it's settling onto the floor. So the floor is a little bit dirty now from when I cleaned it yesterday. So I'm gonna take the vacuum here and re-vacuum it. Okay, so I just took the vacuum to the entire pool. Looks a lot better, but it's still not 100%. Tomorrow I will tackle it again.
It's time to clean the pool.
You'll notice that I skipped a day. That's because yesterday we just edited all day. Today I rode the bike to Spar to get some more groceries, and probably again we're just going to edit today. There's not a whole lot going on today, but tomorrow we're going to go to the necropolis de Son Real, I believe it's called. So I'm really looking forward to that. I am back at the house. I'm going to make some breakfast, and then I realized that I never gave you guys the tour of this entire place. Riki was supposed to give the tour. We talked about it weeks ago, but unfortunately he's gone. He left on Saturday. It's Monday now. But I still want to give you guys a tour of this place. It's so cool. So let me eat some breakfast really quick, and then I'll get my GoPro out and give you a tour. All right, let me give you the tour now. You've already seen this. This is what Riki was working on, Riki and Eli, to provide the tubing, or the pipes, whatever you call it, down under here, all the way over there. It's still a work in progress. It's not entirely done yet, but you can see here that we have a clothesline, which is really cool, because usually when I'm like staying at someone's house or couch surfing or Airbnb, they usually just have one of those fold out things, and so I can never get all my clothes on it, but this is perfect. It has a lot of space. And then this is the work in progress. So this piping is going to go, I guess it's going to connect over here, I guess. I'm not really sure. Over here we have a shed. Inside has a bunch of tools. Just tools if you ever need anything. It's all in here. So wheelbarrows. Over here is the laundry room. It's a little messy right now because we had to take, well, I didn't do anything, but Riki took everything out so we could work on the piping or something. I'm not really sure what he was doing, but everything was once out of here, and we just kind of threw it back in so we could wash some clothes. And over here is the bathroom, and then that's Kassandra and I's room right there. And then here is the pool, which you've seen me swim in, and this is still out because I'm in the process of cleaning it still. It looks a lot cleaner, but I still need to take the vacuum to it once or twice more. And then up here is a little chill out area. I think one day soon, Riki and Eli are going to install a jacuzzi up here, which will be really cool. And then I won't walk all the way over there, but if you see all the way over there, that's the that's where we would get all the rocks, because like you can see there's rocks everywhere. Rocks over there, like that I showed you along the piping. It was one of the first couple of tasks that we did here. That's where we got it, all over there. That house is Riki and Eli's house. They ended up, if you see the roofing, they built that roof themselves. It looks so cool. And then there's their van right there. That is a camper van. So it has a bed on the bottom and a bed on the top, so you can sleep like multiple people. And yeah. And then I'll show you past the van are the orchards. What's up, buddy? Excuse me. Check out the kitchen next. Some more areas to sit and chill. This is their gym. There's Kassandra making food in the kitchen. Another chill out area over here. Stove. Little garden. Oh, and the turtles. If you remember, like a week ago I was filming the turtles. The turtles ran away. We have no idea where the turtles are. Well, they either ran away or the dogs ate them. We're not really sure. The only explanation is that Onyx here probably took them, and he doesn't like to eat them, he just likes to play with them. So chances are he took them somewhere and dropped them off, and then the turtle ran away. But yeah, that's the most logical explanation that we could think of, because I don't think it was low enough for the turtles to physically crawl out, because they were literally like the size of a quarter almost. But this is the orchard. They have a lot of things growing out here. This is the driveway to the gate. And yeah, this is the whole property. It's so big, super cool. I would love to live in a place like this one day, like settle down in a place like this. Yeah, I'm sure I'm missing something, but that's basically it for today. I'm gonna go edit some more videos for the rest of the day, and tomorrow we're gonna go to the necropolis, check out the necropolis. Necropolis de Sondriel, I believe it's called. So yeah, so that's pretty much the plan for tomorrow. And then the next day, I don't know, because we only have a week left here, and since I was sick for literally the entire 3 weeks that we've been here so far, I didn't get to see that much. Like, we went to Palma a few times, and I went to Santa Margalita a lot, but that's pretty much it. Oh, and then I biked to Ariani one of the first couple of days. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So we definitely need to do something every day that we're here. Still haven't even seen the beach. Well, I guess I've seen the beach down in Palma, but I still haven't even swam in the water. And I've been here for 3 weeks, so that's kind of sad, but I'm feeling a lot better. I'm still technically sick. I'm still coughing, but I feel a lot better. So yeah, so that's pretty much the plan for the next week. And then after that, we're heading to Morocco. Already bought the tickets, heading into Fez, and probably going to be in Morocco for a month or so. And then no plans after that, but I really want to go to Tunisia. I want to go back to Tunisia, and I have a friend there that wants to backpack around the country with us, so it'd be cool to backpack with him because he's an awesome guy, and it'd be cool to backpack with a local. So it's a win-win situation. So yeah, have a good day, and we'll see you tomorrow at the necropolis. Look, the cat came back. Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
Charlie, the stray cat of Santa Margalita. Let's go see if we can find you something, buddy. Alright, we are biking to the necropolis today. Gotta go get the bikes out right now. Okay, which one should we take? This one, the entire time was flat, but we finally put air in it, so I'm wondering if we should take this one. Oh my god, what the hell was that? Anyways, I think we'll for sure take this one. This one was my favorite of these two. Kassandra didn't really like this one last time, so maybe we can try this one out. I don't know. Go for Go. What's up, buddy? Alright, so we're postponing the necropolis until tomorrow. Because, I mean, I don't know if you can really tell, but it rained a lot. I mean, look at those clouds. But, yeah. As I speak now, it is raining ever so slightly. You probably can't even see it. Like, it's raining a little bit. But according to the weather apps, it says it's gonna rain in another 2 hours, I think. And because it takes an hour to get there and then an hour to get back, just that alone, it would start to rain. And we obviously want to spend a couple hours there. So we're gonna postpone it until tomorrow because we have 2 hours to go until it rains. We are going to just bike to Santa Margalita, get some groceries because we're missing some groceries. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it.